Hey, what's good YouTube world? Prash here, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a tutorial on how to actually set up your GoPro Hero 12 Black Creator Edition. Now, I've had a few friends actually ask me how to set up their GoPro Hero 12 Black straight out the box when they get it, and so this video is going to cover all of that. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, this is the box you get, and opening it up, the first thing you're going to notice is this little card over here. And this actually allows you to scan the QR code with your smartphone and actually download the Quick app through the App Store or the Google Play Store. And this will actually allow you to pair your camera to your smartphone and also allow it to download and install important updates directly to your camera through your smartphone. So I highly recommend you do this first before even setting up your camera and turning it on. Alright, so when you first open up this box, this is pretty much what you're going to see. Now, for you, it'll be all wrapped up nicely. But because I've already taken this out of the box, I've just tried to put it in as neatly as possible. And yeah, the first things you're going to notice is your light, the actual Enduro battery that you get, the Volta grip, the media mod, and the GoPro Hero 12 Black itself. So this is actually the first layer of what you get in the box. Now you can actually remove this and you'll see you've got a second layer here with some mounts as well as your windshield for the mic on the media mod. And obviously you've got some screws here and your charging cables for the GoPro Hero 12 itself, as well as the Volta grip. And yeah, all of that good stuff. So let's just take everything out that you would need to set it up in the first go. Alright, so now that you have everything you need out the box, you've got your screw, your Enduro battery, the windshield, the light, the GoPro itself, the media mod, and the Volta grip. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually pull this tab on your GoPro, and this will actually give you access to the battery slot as well as your micro SD card slot, which you can see that I've already got one installed. But the first thing you're going to need to do is actually pull this tab off of the body of the camera. So this just magnetically attaches, so it's actually pretty easy to take off. And you're actually going to need this to be open not only for the battery, but also because it'll slide in straight into this port over here in the media mod. So you can go ahead and just put your battery straight into the body of the camera, just like that. And now you're going to want to pull this tab here on the media mod just to open it up, and your GoPro will pretty much just slide into it. And then you can go ahead and close this. And that's pretty much the GoPro inserted snugly into the media mod. Now the next thing you can do is actually install the light mod into the hot shoe over here on the top of the media mod. And again, this is pretty easy. It just slides in and you should hear a bit of a click and you know that it's installed. Next, you can actually install the windshield, which is actually pretty easy. Just goes on like this with this little tab here facing the back. And that's pretty much it. And when you need to remove the windshield, you can actually just push this tab here and the windshield will come off easily. Now installing it into the Volta grip is pretty easy as well. All you got to do is just pull these tabs down. And this will allow the GoPro to actually slide onto the Volta grip, and then you can actually secure it with the screw over here. So just doing this like so. So once this is slotted in, you just got to make sure that it's aligned properly so that the threading is exposed for the screw to go in properly. And there you pretty much have it. Now you can also tighten this further just to adjust how stiff you want the GoPro to be mounted to the Volta grip, and if you don't want it to sort of fall forwards or backwards. And now your final step is just to pull this little tab over here in the middle, which exposes the USB-C port, and you can actually connect this straight into the GoPro so that your Volta grip is able to power the GoPro Hero 12 instead of the main battery inside the GoPro. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now this Volta grip will add about 5 hours of 4K recording to your GoPro on top of the battery. So yeah, it's a really nice thing to have if you're looking to do extended vlogging or even POV shots, or just anything that you'd need extra battery for. It's pretty useful, and the Volta grip itself is actually pretty premium feeling. So yeah, this has been my tutorial video on how to set up the GoPro Hero 12 Black Creator Edition. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this video. Like and subscribe if you did. Leave a comment down below as well. I'd appreciate that. But yeah, it looks like we're out of time, so I'll catch you in the next one.